Market open, it's 9:15 a.m. Positive start. The last Friday sell call generated after 2 o'clock. That sell call selling momentum followed today also. Today means it's February 19, Monday market. After 10:20 buy call generated, green color candle open. In this chart, automatically you will get calls like a signal, like a buy call means it's a green signal. Right now the buy call generated, so green color candle open. If it's a sell call, red color. So you can easily understand when you are watching the video like this, you will watch this chart on daily basis. Okay, you just need to watch the chart and the calls will generate automatically. Through this call you can do the tradings. Today after 1 hour of market opening at after 10:20 we can say this buy call started. Buy call started at 46,602. That green candle open point, that candle, that straight white line from green candle, that is our entry point line. Above lines are first target, second target line. Below red color line is the stop loss line. So from 46,602 to 46,718, it's more than a 100-point target. Let's wait and see how it break out in live market. After 30 minutes of volatile, market started to rise in bullish direction. During this time it break out the first target range, but from opening itself, as you can see, market was going down, then recovering, like this market going up and down. In this chart, in robotically, it will give calls whenever the trend changes. Right now the trend change, so you buy the market. Right now the trend change means you will sell the market. Like this, it will give suggestions in live market automatically. If you want this chart for chart plan detail, you can send me a hi message in WhatsApp. After some time it break out the second target also.